In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then click on Lock Screen at the top and tap on Screen Lock. Over here, click on the best login method for you to use it: PIN, password or a pattern. Then create it. Select Continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. After that, select Confirm. Now you can manage all of those options to adjust lock screen notifications, or click on this switcher at the top to switch them off or on. When you're ready, hit Done at the bottom. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!